What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. And if you're new, my name is Bree. And if you're not new and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click that red subscribe button at the bottom. It's down there. I'll wait. Thank you. It won't cost you a penny, guys. Just go ahead and give me that little subscription. My goal is 50 for now. And if you guys can help me get there, I'd be so thankful. I know this is a small goal, but you know, we're going to take baby steps. I'm still new to this YouTube game. But anyway, today we're going to be talking about my everyday skincare routine. This is my routine. This is what I do to keep my skin clear. And also, we're going to be featuring some products from a Black business owner. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, I want you guys to stick around and keep on watching. Alright guys, so the first thing I do is dampen my face with a little bit of water. You see I already have some water on my face. Not a whole lot. I just don't like to go in with a whole bunch of water. I don't think it's necessary. I think you can use a little bit of water just to dampen your face and use the product to really get in there and cleanse the face. So I'm going to go in with the old school, guys. This is Clean and Clear Essentials Foaming Facial Cleanser, and it's oil free. And I go in with this first. I just rub it in my hands like this and go ahead and really get in there to cleanse the face. Alright guys, so now that I have that on, you want to go ahead and rub it for at least a minute to really make sure you cleanse your face. Get all sides of your face, don't forget anything. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wash my face with water. I'm going to splash the water on my face and make sure I get all the soap off. And I'll be right back. I'm going to go do that and show you guys what I do next. Okay guys, so now that I wash my face and cleanse it, I'm going to go ahead and exfoliate. And to exfoliate, I'm going to use TLC for Skin Body Scrub. It's an all natural scrub, so you can use it pretty much from head to toe. So you can use this to exfoliate your face, your lips, your hands, your feet, your arms, any part of your body. You can use this product. And this is one of those products from the Black owned business I was talking about. They use all natural products, and I have everything linked down below in the description bar, but this one is called TLC for Skin Body Scrub. And I'm going to go ahead and just take some of that scrub, and I'm going to start on the side of my face. And what I find this does, guys, is it removes all the dead skin on your face. So if you have dry skin, oily skin, guys, you can put this on your face to remove all that, the dead layer of skin on your face. So we have to be exfoliating. Like, you can't really skip exfoliate. You gotta exfoliate. And like I said, guys, so this is a natural product, so you can put it on your lips. There's nothing in this product that will harm you. They use all natural products, so everything in this line you can actually eat. Might not taste good, but you can't eat it. I'm going to go ahead and exfoliate my lips next. And guys, I know I look crazy right now, but I promise you, it's for the beauty, y'all. It's for the good skin. It's for the no flaking. You know what I'm saying? Alright guys, so now I'm going to go wash this off the same way I did the face wash. I'm going to wash this off, splash water on my face. Oh, I forgot to mention I am using lukewarm water. I'm not using hot, not using cold. I'm using lukewarm water to wash my face. So I'm going to go ahead and wash off the exfoliant, and I'll come back to you guys and show you what's next. Okay guys, so just from those first two steps I did, my skin is already feeling, oh my god, like so soft. I mean, my face is already feeling really soft. It's already looking more vibrant. Can you guys tell? It's already looking more vibrant. It's not the lights, I promise. My face is already looking more vibrant. And this next step is actually my favorite step. We haven't even gotten to my favorite step yet. We're going to my favorite step now. And this step is the Dead Sea Mud Mask by TLC for Skin. And once again, I will leave all the products down in the description bar so you guys can order if you guys want to do so. So this is the mud mask. It's the Dead Sea Mud Mask. So what I like to do is put mine on a makeup brush. I only use this makeup brush for this mask. And it just applies easier. I don't like to use my hands. It gets all messy. I like to use a makeup brush. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the mask to my face. It just applies so smooth, guys. I mean, oh my god, it feels so good. It's like, I feel like I'm getting a facial. Every time I use this, oh my god. Okay, am I scaring you guys yet? All right, so I'm gonna let this dry down for about 15 minutes. Let it dry down. Then I'm gonna wipe it off with a lukewarm washcloth, and I'll come back to you guys and show you what we're looking like. Okay guys, so now that our face is clean, it's exfoliated, and we've done our mud mask, we're gonna go ahead and put some EOS lip balm on my lips. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and use, it's called The Ordinary. It's a lactic acid, it's 10%. And I just use that because I'm young guys, trust me, I'm young. But I do have like some smile lines that I'm kind of unhappy with, so I've actually just started using this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a few drops of that onto my face. And I'm really just focusing it on my trouble area, which is my smile line. So I'm just go ahead and put that on and let it soak into the skin. It's like a light serum. It's nothing heavy. Like I said, it's 10% lactic acid. I got this from Sephora. And it says it will help with fine lines and fine wrinkles. So I'll keep you guys updated on this. Let you know how it's working for me. Okay guys, so last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face. And the moisturizer I like to use is the Eucerin Daily Protection for sensitive skin. And this also has SPF 30 in it. As my friend would tell me, girl, every day put sunscreen on your face. And I have been doing this recently and I have noticed a difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of that onto my face. And you'll notice that it does leave a slight tint at first, but when it dries down, it'll be pretty much invisible. Alright guys, so once again, that was my skincare routine. It may not work for everybody, but it does work for me. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I do to keep my skin up to par, and I hope you did enjoy this video. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget, click down there, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I post new videos. And also like my video, share it, and leave me some comments so I'll know what you guys want to see next. You know, put some feedback down in the comments. Let me know what you guys want to hear about. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the later one. Bye.